5 Best Rivet Gun. Here is the product number 5. WORKPRO 10 inches Riveter Gun. WORKPRO 10 inches Riveter Gun with Rivnut blind rivet guns and riveting kits. Home DIY and ALLSOME. Brand name, WORKPRO. Usage, home DIY. Power type, hand riveters. Riveter gun type, blind rivet guns. Model, WO23022A. Here is the product number 4. LOMVUM electric Rivnut gun. LOMVUM Riveter Adaptor has 5 advantages. Make with high-quality alloy steel, it is high hardness and durable. With high hardness hexagonal connecting rod, its drill clamp is stable. Handle is designed vertical, which is effortless. With unique shape design, make it small resistance. Equipped with different nozzle models, it work with different size of rivets. Here is the product number 3. Hand-threaded Rivnut gun. Hand-threaded Rivnut guns with nut 605-606 double insert manual riveter riveting Rivnut tool for M3/M4/M5/M6/M8/M10 nut. Max multiple of arm force 25. Rotary nut loading structure. Working stoke, 7 mm. Length, 330 mm, 13. Here is the product number 2. Electric rivet gun 2.4 mm to 4.8 mm. Brand name, ZHCY. DIY supplies, woodworking, stainless steel, pipes. Power source, work with the electric drill. Max RPM, 1000 RPM. Minute torque strength, 15 Nm. Material, carbon steel and plastic. Color, blue, black. Full length, approximately 160 mm. Here is the product number 1. ALLSOME BT605 Riveter Gun. Brand name, ALLSOME. Usage, home DIY. Power type, hand riveters. Model BT605. Capacity, metric, M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, M12. Max multiple of arm force 25. Rotary nut loading structure. Working stoke, 7 mm. Length, 330 mm, 13.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.